What's up, guys? Just give it like a minute for everyone to get in here, and then we'll start it up. Six, four. Could everyone hear me? Say like yes or no. Could you guys hear me? Okay. Cool. I'm gonna give it like another minute, and then we'll make this like a Q&A kind of recap type thing. Where's Bao? Yesterday was his girlfriend's birthday, so I'm sure he's still celebrating. No walk today. I'm gonna go on a walk a little bit. I'm in my room kind of wrapping up trading right now. All right, so let's kind of talk about today. Let's talk about what I did good, what I did bad, what I could kind of improve on, and then we'll start from there. Okay, so kind of like the first trade of the day that I took was on AMD. Green, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row, and gapping up big today. So I kind of expected it to have a little bit of a pullback. I wasn't really too interested until kind of VWAP failed. You know, since this is a non-niche setup, non-bread and butter setup, you know, I didn't take size on it. I took, I don't know, a couple thousand shares, which is really nothing on something like this. So yeah, essentially I was just kind of shorting it, just scalping it. And then, you know, when SPY started to unwind and reclaim, I was like, you know, I'm done with it. You know, I'm not too interested in it anymore. And, you know, I kind of moved on. I made a couple $100 there. You know, it was a slow day. I found myself kind of trading what I'm not really used to, which is AMD. But even though I was kind of trading it, I was using small size, so it didn't really matter, you know. And then GERN started moving, GERN. And this is a stock that I've kind of played in the past. I think it was up on Johnson & Johnson News, which they've been using the same fucking 5-6 times. Every time it goes up, it's because of Johnson & Johnson. So I kind of looked into it first, and I saw that the float was 180 million. And for anyone that doesn't know really what that means, it means that like it's not easy to be manipulated, right? So there's a lot of shares. You know, the low floats, because they move so much, is because the float is 1 million or 2 million or 3 million. You know, if this shit is 180 million shares afloat, you know, there's no shot that it's going to make a crazy type of move. So I was looking at the daily chart from, what is it, 524.18, and I saw a resistance at 517. So my plan was kind of to play that based off of that resistance, with leaving room for myself just in case like 550 came along. And we got from 9:34 a.m. to 9:56 a.m. In 20 minutes, we got $1 move, $1.50 move on a stock like this. And that shit doesn't really happen on float, like stocks that have a massive float like that. So it kind of threw me off guard. So I wasn't really kind of prepared for what was kind of going on, but I kind of recognized that the parabolic started to happen near 570. So, you know, I added a little bit to my starter. Again, my starter was at like 517, 520, added a little bit there. So I ended up with like a 540, 550 average. And my plan on this one was to kind of use 550 as the guide of resistance once the parabolic move was over. Because look, the reality was like, shit, this went from 430 to 575 in 20 minutes on 180 million shares afloat. Like, that shit's not normal. That shit doesn't happen. So you have to still kind of be prepared for when that stuff happens. So, sorry, I'm just kind of watching my chart right now to see if I can get a re-entry. But yeah, so the reality was that kind of when it started to break down, I think it was 10:07 in the 520s, I took my covers and I walked. And I said, you know what, that's it. You know, it seems like the short float is like 30%, 40%. So, you know, there's no edge anymore, right? There's no edge. Everyone is short. The float is short. The play was the 517 resistance and then the parabolic move if it happened, right? So after that, it was kind of grinding up at 10:15 a.m. If you kind of look at your chart, kind of grinding up. And then it had a massive stuff at 10:16. And what does that kind of mean? So let me kind of flip the camera and show you what that looks like. Okay, so look at this, right? So it's kind of moving up here and then it has a massive rejection and comes and breaks the support over here, right? Rejects and supports here heavily, right? So I'm like, oh shit, that's a very, very bearish sign, right? And I kind of looked to see if there was anything happening on Twitter. I tried to see if, something was going on, if there was like a news thing or news catalyst or whatever. And then I saw Adam F kind of bashed it. And as soon as I saw that and I saw it click, I chased some size at 505 I chased it at 512. 512 was my average chase and I saw Adam F hit it. I said it's under VWAP. Longs that chased over 550 are stuck. So it might be an easy 10 to 20 cent scalp, right? And that's literally exactly what we got. So the stock stuffed, Adam F happened, yada, yada, yada. And we got this kind of pull down here, right? We got this pull down from 529 all the way down to 483. That's 50 cents right there that you can make your money on. The easiest move ever, right? Cracks VWAP, stuffs, and all that stuff. So again, I was a winner today on the first short. And then when I kind of reshorted it, once everything kind of got to where I wanted it to be, under VWAP, bag holders, under 550 and stuff, I took my money and I ran, right? And I told everyone in the room that, it's the 1030 rule. And what that essentially means is that, after 1030 is when you stop adding to your positions and you kind of look to exit your positions. Oh shit, SSC's on high day. Give me a sec. 1, 2, 3, shit. That might be a good short tomorrow around 5:30. Anyway, so now you look at GERN and it's kind of coming right back. So what does that mean to me? Why is GERN coming back after it kind of got bashed and it kind of did all the shit that it should have, right? So the reason why it's coming back is because now that everyone that chased the Adam F tweet, everyone that kind of chased the bids at 480, thinking 450 is coming, now they're all getting squeezed out. And it's past 1030. So we're getting closer to the lull and all this other stuff. So again, I'm done trading for the day. I made $5,465, mostly from GERN, mostly from the second reshort, the one that made the easiest trade and the one that made me the most amount of money. So again, not every day is going to be a massive winner. I've been kind of eating shit these past couple days. So I just wanted a green day under my belt. Even if it's small, even if it's big, I don't give a shit. I just need something green. Helps me end the week strong, helps me with my mentality. So that's basically it. That's basically all I want to talk about. I want to talk about my trade there, kind of mentioning that, the reason I was kind of more interested in it is because the float was so massive, 180 million shares of float. And now it looks like everyone is stuck. The short float is 32.25%. So there's no play for me this now. I'm just watching it. I'm just chilling. I'm probably going to call it a day now. Nothing else is moving. SSC is setting up for Monday. GERN, just keep doing your thing. I hope you go back to 570 or 6. And then that's it. That's basically it for me. So if you guys want, we could just do like a quick Q&A now and then take from there. Yes, there was a massive 8K offer on the ask, but I was selling hidden with 100 shares. But I guess people don't know what that means. Where do you check the short float at? Finviz. So let me pull it up actually. So if you look at Finviz, is the stock short float. Simple enough, right? So yeah, this is like kind of my room, my office. I do my Zen place. So yeah, let's do a Q&A. What's up? Start asking. Is there anything else moving that I missed? I saw SSC and GERN. How did you come up with the 517 line from the daily? Look at the date of 5/24/2018. What else? Oh, let me scroll back. What is this indication that someone is selling hidden on GERN? It's the same thing that I was kind of doing. You're showing 200 shares, but you're putting an iceberg order for 5,000 shares. But this motherfucker was showing 10,000 shares and selling 100,000 shares, Yeah, we have a preferred broker for under 25,000 and over 25,000. The under 25,000 broker gets a 25% off commission if you sign up for them and no software fees. So you only find out in our broker talk chat. What else? MMA. I think I saw that earlier, but I want to wait till 1. Yeah, I don't short 50-cent stocks. Damn, SPY. Fuck. Damn, that's a fucking crazy move. What else? Yeah, so NSYS and FFHL were chat room pumps, right? So these guys, like, are you fucking, like, look at this shit, dude. This is NSYS. He bought here, sold here, everyone else dies here. This is the guy you're paying money to? You want to pay $50 to this guy instead of paying $170 and actually learning how to trade? What was the other one? FF, what was it? Actually, someone mentioned it above. Let me scroll up. FFHL. Where do you think he bought? Where do you think he sold? Where do you think everyone gets bagged? Like to the people that are $170 is too much money, $179 is too much money. You'd rather pay $50 and do that? Like how? Like, I don't get it. I don't get it. Like, I kept mentioning today to everyone, like, if there's no trade, there's no play. We're not going to try to find something to trade because there's nothing moving. Like, we're not going to try to find some shit with 1 million shares afloat and try to pump it because it's not moving. Like, for fuck's sake, man, for fuck's sake. Like, these are the people complaining, man. And I don't even want these people in the room. If you think fucking $180 is too much, go to the $50 room and get dumped in your face. I don't give a shit. Forget it. So what's the deal with the dollar bill? So I keep a stack of ones on my desk every single day to kind of remind. So this is, I think this is $1,000 in ones or $500 in ones. And it kind of just reminds me that, you know, we're seeing numbers on the screen, right? We're only seeing numbers on the screen, but until you kind of, put it into perspective how much money we're actually making or losing, it really helps. And yeah, this is the pig that Bao got me. My good luck pig. I keep it on my desk next to the cash. So what else? Maybe I'll just do like a quick look of like what my office looks like. So I have my dry ships poster. I got, my setup. Nothing really special. Kind of need to upgrade it anyway. And then that's it. What else? Nah, I haven't been to the strip club in a long time. I don't like to pay to get blue balls. What's the point? Anyway, that's not gonna talk about that. What else? Let's talk about some trading stuff. Can you show the SLS? The SLS is getting a clear bra. Should be done in a couple weeks. What else? I guess I'll show everyone the room. I mean, I really haven't done that, right? So this is basically the room. We got so many sub channels. We got channels about brokers, channels about charts, recaps, futures, starter pack, options trading. Essentially, everyone in the chat is kind of giving their ideas. There's a whole section on education where, people are asking questions and other members are answering them. There's a section on people putting their charts and their recaps. We're having our first, actually that reminds me, let me actually talk about that. So we're having our first VIP like cocktail hour meetup this Saturday. It's gonna be at 2 p.m. The location, only the members kind of know about it. And so far it looks like there's gonna be some good turnout. This one was kind of spontaneous because we just wanted to get to meet everyone. I'm excited to kind of meet everyone. It's the first launch week. It's been a week and we're kind of doing really well. The feedback is really well. We're taking everyone's constructive criticism into consideration. And shit, man, we're just going to hang out Saturday. We're going to drink at a bar for a couple hours, talk trading, talk whatever, and just have a good time. So this is kind of our vision. We want to kind of have other traders network around us. We want to have other like-minded people come meet us. Like Bao said yesterday in his video, right? So there's some doctors in the room. There's some engineers in the room. There's some developers in the room. You know, they might be the worst trader in the world, but they might be the best doctor in the world. So it's a great opportunity to kind of network and just hang out with people. So again, this is members only, so you join. Like all the shit we're giving away for $6 a day it's ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. Bao's been doing like 3 recaps a day and a rant a day. I'm trying to do these Instagram lives every day. We're trying to give some free content. We're trying to really help, do meetups, do all this shit. We're gonna have probably like a seminar free for all of our annual members. Like we're really trying to help. And if you think like $180 is too much, like go give it to the guy charging you $60 telling you to watch the 8,000 share ask on the level 2. That's the guy you want to learn from? Fuck. What else? Sorry. Now I went into the ranting mode. Excuse me. What else? Why does the short float matter? Because if more people are short the stock and it starts moving up, they're going to have to cover it, which leads to a price going up. I played it based on technicals this time because I was kind of in the moment and didn't have enough time to research. Let me actually look at it real quick to see if there was anything in the filings. Just a really quick look. Yes, there was. Motherfucker. Give me a second. Blah, blah, blah. Wow. Fuck. Okay. Now it's good to know. Damn. Okay. Good to know. What else? Any steak for today? Yeah, I could finally afford some steak. No, I don't know. My brother is, my little brother, he's like 12 years old. He wants to go to like a place called Sky Zone. It's like a giant trampoline house or something like that. So I think I'm going to surprise him and take him there. Who is my favorite trader besides Modern Rock? Well, everyone is good at their own thing, right? So everyone is, like Eric is good at what he does. Phil is good at what he does. Viper J is good at what he does. Tim Grattani is good at what he does. Like everyone's really good. So how many months or years did it take me to become profitable? Probably over a year. Yeah, probably over a year. It takes time, man. It takes time. For the people that like follow these Furu guys that say like, shit, man, all you gotta do is buy the thing that's hitting the high of the day scanner or whatever the fuck it is. Like, bro, everyone's seeing the same shit you're seeing. Like, you gotta do something different. What else? Yeah, now GERN is kind of grinding right back. So I took the easy money, right? I took the fucking easy money. Short it here, cover it here. That's it. Dunzo. That's it. I made my money. I'm done. Oh, also, since I'm going to be in the city on Saturday doing the meetup, we do like a Saturday morning Q&A every day in our chat. And what time was the bounce? Great question. Exactly at 10:31 a.m. Exactly. Like, this is why we do the 10:30 rule. Like, it just makes so much sense. Like, this is the shit that no one fucking tells you about that is working. This shit is working. It's so simple. It's so simple. Don't add to your positions. After that time, look to unwind them. If I do short above VWAP, it's usually a starter. I take the most amount of size when it's under it. But you know, I'm only human. I have FOMO. I screw up sometimes. How'd you know FFHL was a pump? Like, you gotta be blind not to see it. Like, does the pig look like Bao? If Bao looks like a golden pig, let's see. My good luck charm. So yeah, we do Saturday morning Q&As every day in our chat. Basically what happens is people ask questions and then me and a couple other people in chat help answer them, right? So let me see if I can pull that up real quick. Let me see the questions from last week. Wow, shit, there's so much. All right, let me pull it up. Give me a sec. What else? Why are summers so slow? Because everyone's on vacation. So let's see. So these are just kind of questions that people have been asking. They ask, and we answer. So we do this every Saturday. We do it. And since I'm not going to be there, Alex, do an Instagram live during the Saturday Q&A. Okay, fine. That's no problem, man. That's no problem. That's easy. But what I'm saying is, like, since we do the Saturday morning Q&As every weekend, and I'm not going to be there, we're still going to have it. But instead, for the people that are coming to the meetup, they could ask me in person. For the people that are not coming to the meetup, just put it in the chat and someone else is going to help you answer. The point of this community is like I'm not the only one answering questions. Bao's not the only one answering questions. We have people that have experience that are truly here to help other people learn, right? So someone's better at fundamentals, someone's better at technicals. Someone posts their chart in the chart recap section and says, hey, what do you guys think I did wrong? And some 36 other people responded to this guy and said, hey, you did this wrong, Maybe offer the location for meetup for new members who want to join. Yeah, it's a good thing. We could kind of consider that. Like, that's like the reason why we're TLRI Citron. Shit. Okay, now look. So Citron tweeted, and look what the fuck happens. Right? Shit. Can you please talk about VWAP? So we're working on a VWAP guide right now for all of our members. So we have like the starter kit, and oh shit, this thing's really unwinding. Oh wait, today might be the fucking perfect day to short it actually. It's on what's CGC? That's the sympathy. Huh. We're taking profits here. Okay, that's not really a short call, but he's just saying he's taking profits. Anyway, fuck it. That's not after 10:30. Fuck it. Time to go for a walk. What was I saying? VWAP guide. Yeah, so we're working on a bunch of different guides for a bunch of our members. So we have the starter kit that kind of explains everything. Actually, let me show you a tease of the starter kit. I don't give a shit. Let me show you a little bit of it. Give me a sec. All right. Yeah, I gotta go get a haircut. Okay, so we have some terminology in there. We got some patterns in there. We got some analysis, tape reading. We got like a bunch of like beginner stuff, like if you're kind of like trying to get better. And our goal is to kind of make a bunch of these guides as the members kind of request it. So if people say like, hey, I want more information on VWAP, I want more information on this, it's gonna take us some time to make a guide for it, but fuck, we're gonna do it. This is a club. Like, this is an exclusive club that like you can meet people, you can network with, you can do a bunch of different shit with. So again, like, these recaps are fun, but the members inside actually get to ask like the real questions. Those are the ones that get to go into private chat with me. Those are the ones that get to do everything. Like it's so cool. Like yesterday, Tosh, one of our mentors, did a one-on-one mentorship session with a guy that's not a member. And after the mentorship session was done, this guy signed up. He's like, I really love what you guys are about. That mentorship session was good. Like, I want to give it a try. And we like, shit, like, we're trying to do this thing the right way, right? So anyway, enough of that stuff. Let's go back to questions. So yeah, like it's 10:54 now. I made $5,000. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna take my little brother to some fucking trampoline house, Sky Zone, Bounce Zone, some shit like that. Probably get ripped off for like $100 an hour or some shit. And then that's it. Enjoy my weekend and then get ready for the meetup tomorrow. Vegas seminar, that's all Bao's department. What else? Is the 25 discount with your broker for the life of the account? Yes, it is. It's on the life of you being a member in our club. It's the same thing with our scanner discount. You're getting our scanner for half off as long as you're a member in the club. Like, Dude, you're saving $100 already, like from your scanner, and you can't pay $70. Yes, everyone has a pattern day trader rule unless you're going offshore, but it's better to have your money in America rather than Bahamas. I go to bamscc.com for filing info. We tried to get a deal with them to try to give our members like a discount because I think they're like $24 a month or something like that. And these guys didn't even budge, so they're a loss. Maybe I should stop promoting them. Yeah, we post our watch list in the chat room every day. We post our ideas in the day. It's not just me. There's a bunch of different people posting their own ideas. Like, that's the point of this. You know, I'm not the best at big caps. I'm not the best at options, but we have an options room where people are talking about options and shit. You know, I pop my head in there. I try to learn. I heard people are using TraderNet. I don't know shit about it. Damn, SSC. Okay, so let's kind of do like a quick thing of what I see from this, right? So SSC, right? Kind of grinding up. Daily breakout, right? So this is the daily chart line, 422. Daily breakout over here. So now what is my line for when I'm going to short it, right? When am I going to short this thing? So let's plot it out. What is this line? 530. See how I got that line? So, give me a sec. Give me a second. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. That's my line. If it gets up there, I'm shorting it. If it doesn't, I'm not. See how easy it is? Like, 1, 2, 3, tomorrow's gonna be day 4 if it goes up. Like, this is gonna be a good short. Now let's see what the float is. SSC. Oh, what the fuck? It's a 37 million float? It trades like it's a low float. What the hell? Let me see. Yeah, this shit's trading like a low float. That's weird. All right, I'm not complaining. I am not complaining. Fuck. I think I'm sick. Where's the short on Cron? Let's look. Fuck. No short. There's no reason to short it. SSC is the fucking one that's crazy. 37 million share flow. Oh, insiders own half of it. Okay. That's why. Okay. That makes a little more sense. So let's do 37 divided by 2 is 18.5. So the real float's around 18.5. Shit, and it's traded 4 million shares? Fuck. That's like 20%, 30% of the float. That's a weird move. This is a weird move for a stock like that. Maybe now. Now we look into the news and shit, but, you know, I'm done for the day, so I don't want to keep working or else I'm going to want to short it early. So, what else? Give me a sec. What else? I'm gonna look this shit over. GERN. Look at that, bro. 10:30 rule, and look what happens after 10:30. Right? Right back up. Fuck that. Fuck that. What else? What else? AMMA? Yeah, I said I'm gonna wait for $1 on that because I don't like shorting pennies. Because I get screwed. Yeah, we should have made a $100,000 DVD on that rule. Like these guys are charging what, like $3,000 or $4,000 for a DVD talking about fucking buying a low float and alerting it to 2,000 people. That's your fucking strategy? That's your strategy? Fuck, man. That's what you get for $60 a month, man. That's what you fucking get for $60 a month. Fuck. Shit, sorry. Now I feel passionate. What else? Has anyone ever been to this Sky Zone place? Bounce Zone, Sky Zone, trampoline shit? My brother's like 12 years old and he says it's like the coolest place to go. Again, keep in mind, my brother's 12. Yes, volume on the squeeze candle is very important, like an exhaustion type move. Sorry, if I'm bobbing my head around, I'm still looking at like charts around here. There's a laser tag? You're kidding me. Fuck. What else is there? Indoor trampoline, right? That's what it is, right? I don't know, man. I don't know. What else is there? What else? Is the meetup? The meetup tomorrow is in New York City. All the details are in the meetup section in the chat. I think there's gonna be like fucking 20 or 30 people that show up because it's so spontaneous, it's so last minute. So only people that live close to New York City could make it. But the next one is gonna be in Bao's hometown in California, and that's gonna kind of be planned earlier. It's not gonna be so last minute, and it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. No, I don't really use hotkeys. What else? So what format do you guys like better? Do you like this in my like kind of my office sometimes, or the walks outside? I think I'm just gonna split it up. I'll do walks outside. I'll do shit in the office, my room. I need a new fucking computer for my home setup. So if anyone wants to send me a new computer that's fucking badass, hit me up in the DMs. My home computer is a piece of shit, but I'm superstitious, so I haven't changed it since I started, because I'm afraid that if I change it, I'm gonna stop making money. Bao has got me into like superstitions now. There was one time that I didn't shave my beard until I lost, and shit, I looked homeless, man. What else? Show us your setup. It's fucking nothing special, bro. It's nothing special. Here, let me do it like this. Let me kind of put the... Okay, so this is how it starts. That's how it ends. That's it. Nothing special. That's it. I mean, it does the job, right? But shit. Yeah. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna kind of wrap it up. This is fun. I enjoy doing these, and I hope that they kind of like add value to you guys too. So I'll do like another, I'll do 1 minute rapid fire questions. Go. I'm gonna stop at 11:05. No problem, guys. No problem. Shit's fun. Yeah. Pretty soon everyone else is going to have a club instead of a service, right? First they copy the Instagram lives, then they're going to copy the rants, then they're going to copy the clubs, then they're going to copy like the discounts. Like no other club gives you discounts for your broker's 25% off commissions, for half off scanners. Like you're essentially getting the shit for free with all the perks that you're getting. Yet people are complaining that they can't spend $6 a day. Fuck the fucking venti double chocolate chip frappuccino with whipped cream and a side of fucking soy milk or some shit. Like, fuck. Anyway, all right, guys. I'm gonna go bounce on trampoline with my little brother. I'll see you guys tomorrow at the meetup. Thanks again. Peace out.